I've spent thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars, at this point, probably hundreds of thousands of dollars on traffic. I can tell the phonies and the fakes, the snakes. I see leaves in my yard, so I'm also gonna take the rake. Yeah, I rhymed. Listen, man, in this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 resources or sources that I use for solo ad traffic for my business. This is what I do in order to make purchases of traffic, grow my list, and make commission. I'm letting the cat out the bag. This is something I've never revealed to anybody before outside of my personal exclusive coaching. So this is very serious. Don't take this information lightly. This is for all niches. This has brought different results. This is for different products. Because remember, I'm also a coach, so I've done everything as far as coaching as well for leads. This is for all the marbles. Stay tuned to the end. I'll share a few honorable mentions that actually work pretty well. Stay tuned. What's going on? Antonio X Carter here, emancipation.occupation.com. Hit that subscribe button for me, baby. Like and subscribe. Listen, man, we need to get these subscribers up. I need to get these video views up. Let's go ahead and get this channel going as being a prominent channel on YouTube when it comes to making money online, because that's what I teach. Help you escape the 9-to-5 job, the rat race with these make money online methods: affiliate marketing, consulting, Facebook ads, Bing ads, Google ads, whatever ads, and free methods, of course. Top 5 resources when it comes to affiliate marketing so that you can generate sales every single time. Let's go. First of all, the number 1 traffic, before I jump into all of these other individuals and put their information on blast, go ahead, check your boy out, because I've started my own traffic service just for you, because I'm sick and tired of watching people get burned, and I want to produce legitimate good traffic for those who know me. So as a first-time buyer, I am offering 50% off your first 100 clicks. Go ahead, click the link down below and get started, baby. Let's go ahead and build together. Now, as for the other 5 people, I'm not gonna waste any time here because I need to go to sleep. It's late. This is the only time I can create videos. But first of all, you need to come over to udemy.com, Udemy, however you pronounce it. You go to find sellers, and I'm only going to show you one guy on this website. This is a place where you come to purchase traffic from other solo ad vendors. You can watch my video that I've created on the traffic sources and stuff before. This gentleman, I believe his name is, it's either Khalid or Khalid. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's not DJ Khalid. But as you see here, he charges 69 cents per click and produces about a 93% rate when it comes to making sales on your product. Already, you know this guy is legit. He's phenomenal. I've tested out his traffic myself very recently, and let me tell you something. I am super impressed, because not only was he able to deliver on clicks and deliver a good opt-in rate for me, but he had a lot of clicks to my affiliate products. So if you watch my video, find or create solo ad campaigns that you can profit from every single time. I talk about landing pages and stuff like that. And on this particular thank you page of mine, you have to have the user actually click the button in order to go to your offer. This man's traffic produced so much engagement. I was shocked. Almost every single subscriber that took me up on my offer clicked on my affiliate product, which means it leads to sales. So at 69 cents, I definitely consider this a really good purchase. Then we are also going to go over to traffic domination. This is by a guy named Wayne Crow. I almost said Russell Crowe. Russell Crowe does not do solo ad traffic, ladies and gentlemen. I highly recommend him. This is a old school OG inside of the traffic game, specifically solo ads. Let me tell you something, man. This guy is extremely legit. Go ahead and click this solo ads site up there in the upper right hand corner, and he gives you a free training when it comes to solo ads. Down here, boom. He talks about it. It's really good. I highly recommend that you watch that. It's phenomenal. Extremely knowledgeable guy. He's been doing this for years. The problem is that this gentleman is a bit pricey. Look, you're looking at $90 for 100 clicks. Listen, man, I told you, my traffic, I'm giving you 50% off. That comes to about 40 cents, 37 cents, 40 cents, something like that, on your first 100 clicks. And so, full price, my stuff is not $90, but I don't have nowhere near the clout that this guy has. But a little bit pricey. If you have some change, I do recommend that you purchase this guy's traffic. Definitely, for sure. This guy right here, I know him as Damien. I don't know him as Dylan. Hopefully that's the right person. That's definitely his face though. I'll look on Facebook to see if he changed his name. That's his last name for sure. But I would recommend him as well. 44 cents. At 44 cents, he's able to, it's a 50% chance that you can make a sale. So that's really good. Anything that's close to 50% and up, you give yourself a really good chance of making a sale. I highly recommend that. Now, if you're paying 80 cents, 90 cents, and your chances of getting a sale was very low, then we'd have a problem. But at 44 cents, that's really good. Listen, I highly recommend that you purchase at least 200 to 300 clicks on these things. And that way, that you're purchasing good traffic, and based on the results, you can tell whether they are producing quality traffic or not. The fourth person is actually my mentor. His name is Kevin, I think it's Leaks or Likes. I don't know how to pronounce his last name. But this guy's phenomenal, man. He's more than just a solo ad provider. He recently got the Comma Club, 2 Comma Club for Clickfunnels, so he's a business person. Extremely good marketer, and that's why we click so well, because I do all things marketing. Look, he even has this from Grant Cardone. He has a testimonial from Grant Cardone. Crazy. All right. But you can go ahead. Looks like a model. Too bad I don't look like that. You can go ahead, get started with your solos there as well. And for the final one, by the way, before I show you the final person, the final source of traffic, I need you to do something. Go ahead and click that subscribe button, because statistics show that most individuals who watch my content are not subscribing. So please go ahead, do that right now. And if solo ads is your jam and you're also looking to grow your business, your online business, you want to hit 6 figures in 6 to 12 months, using other platforms like YouTube or blogging, just creating an online business, listen, hit my number one recommended resource down below inside of the description box. You will see something where I provide what I have used for a long time, the same methods that I still use today. The course is called Affiliate Secrets 3.0. This is how you build a legitimate business. This isn't some weird get rich quick type thing, okay? Along with that, I provide you 6 weeks of free coaching by me. Go ahead, click the button, watch the video. You'll see what I'm talking about. I leave no stone unturned. You decide to take me up on my offer, let me know so that I can start scheduling my phone calls with you. Drum roll, please. The last traffic source that I'm going to show you tonight, and this is what I used in the past. This is the very first time where I used solo ads in order to sell a high ticket program, and I spent $500 and made $1,000. I made $1,000 off of that solo ad campaign. I was completely shocked because it worked. Not only did it work, I made way more than the money that I put in. So you come here, it's called trafficforme.com. It's a list of other solo ad vendors that are proven Whenever you go in, you can purchase all types of different traffic from all types of different niches. You do have to create a login. I'm not going to do that right now at this time, but you have the ability to select different types of packages. They have a lot of different packages. I purchased the super buyers or super package or something like that, where I know for a fact that there's buyers, because listen, people out there don't always supply buyers. That is why I'm showing you the top 5 lists. And so everything that I've shown you are individuals who have produced sales for me on a consistent basis when I have purchased from them. Now you stayed with me long enough. I also wanted to show you, just for sticking with me, some honorable mentions. I'll throw myself in that loop, even though I cheated and I threw myself in there first. Mattia definitely does some good stuff. Now this guy is also an OG. I wouldn't consider his ads or his solo ads as top rated like Wayne Crow. I keep wanting to say Russell Crowe. But listen, man, this guy, he deserves to be put up there, as one of the top solo ad vendors, because he's been doing it so well. So you can go ahead and check out all his testimonials. He has tons. I personally have used a lot of his ads, a lot. Okay, I was spending $500 a pop at one point, and he's produced good sales for me. You could just hit him up. You see here, Mattia at MattiaSoloAds.com. Now, if you're interested in getting ads from him, he might be able to give you a discount if you allow me to recommend you or refer you. So if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead and drop me a message down below in the comments and, just say solo ads. Give me a hashtag solo ads and I will reply to you in the comments to see if you're serious about getting these solo ads. So this is one person I highly recommend. The other woman that I recommend, let's see if I can find her on here. Haha, I found her. MasterSoloAds.com. Maria. I've dealt with her on so many different occasions. She's another person that I work with a lot when it comes to solo ads. Listen, man, 35-cent clicks. If you have not started, okay, if you've never done this before, 35 cents per click, I'm hooking you guys up. Now, obviously, it's not like the 69-cent clicks that Khaled is producing, because his was, I believe his might have been 100% tier 1. I'm not going to get into that. Her tier 1 clicks is 45 cents per click. It's a little bit higher than the 35 cents that you see here, but it's not producing like a 90% commission rate when you make a sale. However, again, if this is your first time, you want to learn how to create funnels and all that stuff, you're worried about losing money, you've never built an email list, I'm going to take you here. Okay, I'm going to take you here first, because at 35 cents per click, for 100 clicks, better yet, at 200 clicks, right, I can get you 200 clicks for the same price as getting 100 clicks from Khaled. However, his is a little bit more high quality. Nonetheless, you can still get a sale with Maria's. All right. Again, if you want a discount, I might be able to hook you up if you allow me to refer you. I have to introduce you guys on Facebook. As a matter of fact, hit me up inside of my Facebook group. Join my Facebook group. The link is down below, and I should be able to work some magic. All right, guys. So that is pretty much it. That wraps it up. If you want to learn how to generate $100 days, I need you to go ahead and watch this video here. I go through all the steps of how to build your funnel. You see what I'm doing. You see the process. I explain it. It's very raw. Check that out. Last but not least, go ahead and check out my #1 recommended source and all the other free content that I have for you. This stuff is free, guys. Go get it down in the description below. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.